Hi everyone, it's Amy from HTS, and faux leather bows are the talk of the town. So I thought that I would do a quick project for you guys showing how it's really easy to take our faux leather sheets that come in 18 different colors on our website. Today I'm going to be featuring red and black, and taking a bow template that I found on Etsy that has 4 different material cuts, which you'll see in the video, and show you how you put them together. A couple other products that I am going to be using in the video is I do have my fabric grip mat I'll be putting the faux leather on. I have these bow clips that I got at Hobby Lobby. I'll be setting my machine to custom and choosing faux leather on the design space. So I'm going to get started. Please let me know if you have any questions, but I'm sure once you see this video all the way through, you are going to be a bow expert before you know it. Show me your bow projects. Can't wait to see, and we're going to get started. For faux leather, you want to make sure that you're taking the shiny side of the faux leather and putting it down on the mat so the fabric side is facing you before you get started.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials.
Make sure when you place this on your mat, you have a really nice grip so it's not moving in the machine. Gonna place this in the machine. Make sure that you have your machine set to faux leather and custom, and we're gonna get started. Okay, now that we have all our bow pieces cut out, I actually did the same cutouts in the red and then in the black because I'm going to be color blocking the two bows together. I have my hot glue gun getting heated, and then I have these bow clips that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to walk you through the first step in the bow making process, which is super simple with the hot glue gun, and then I'm going to do the other one for you. So when you cut these out, you get 4 different pieces. You get the scallop, you get the piece that we're gonna glue together, we're gonna fold together, and then you get this part that's gonna lay here, and then you get your little piece that goes around the bow to tie it all together. So you can do this in one color or you can do this in 2 different colors, but because I wanted to make 2 bows for 2 little special ladies, which you'll see at the end of the video, I wanted to color block the 2 bows. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the long piece and I'm going to take the 2 pieces and glue them in the center here. So I'm going to just take my hot glue gun and put a little line of glue right here. And I'm just going to fold this in. So it's in the center. I'm going to just hold for a few seconds. Okay, now I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to do the same for the other side. And then you just close it and have it hold it. So you just want to hold it in the center for a few seconds to make sure that it's really secure. Okay, next, this piece with the scallop sides is the back piece. So what it's going to look like is now I'm going to take that piece, the black piece, which is got the little 2 scallops on the end, and I'm going to actually be gluing that down as well. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun, put some glue in the center here. I'm going to take the little black part here, or whatever color you're going to be doing this with, and just hold it down as well. So this is kind of the tails of the bow. You're going to take your hot glue gun again. You're going to put a little bit more in the center because you're going to put the part that you just glued together down. And that becomes your center bow. So you want to hold this one. I did put a little bit more glue, and I'm going to put a little bit more pressure as that part is sticking to 2 pieces of the faux leather. Okay. That done. I'm going to Next, you're going to be taking your little black part right here. It's just a straight piece. You're going to be putting it in the center of the bow. You're going to turn it over. And everyone kind of does this part different. Some people put their clip in and have the pieces go around the clip. But I'm finding with some of the bow templates that I bought off of Etsy, this little center piece isn't long enough. So I'm just going to put the bow piece, the clip part down after I have this placed down. So same thing, I'm gonna do 2 glues, put a little piece there, and bring it up. And as I'm holding that, I'm going to put the other side down. And you're just gonna pull it up. And then again, you wanna hold this down for a few seconds. Once you've held that down for a few seconds, you're gonna take your bow clip and you're going to glue that down as well. So you're gonna wanna take your hot glue, kind of make a line, or you can just do a dot in the center. It's up to you. I like to open the clip, and so when I push down, I can make sure that I'm getting a full, so the clip's on my nail, but I'm adding a lot of pressure to the clip to make sure that it's really secure. So I'm gonna hold this one for a couple seconds as well, and then now I'm gonna make the other bow so you can see how the black and the red, the opposite colors, are in the opposite spots. Okay, so once that's secure, this is the first bow with the red being on the back side of the bow, and now I'm gonna make the opposite. So here.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.